Saudia Village, a serene and tight-knit community known for its peace, was suddenly thrust into the spotlight. It all began when a mysterious newcomer arrived in the village, sparking whispers and speculation. Soon, shocking secrets began to emerge. What was supposed to be a peaceful haven turned into a hotbed of controversy. Accusations flew, money laundering, betrayal, and even forbidden romances. The entire community was divided. As tensions escalated, an investigation was launched, uncovering deeper layers of deceit and greed. In a dramatic showdown, the villagers confronted the accused, demanding answers and justice. Eventually, the truth came to light, and Saudia Village began the long road to healing, forever changed by the ordeal. What would you do if your peaceful community faced such a scandal? Let us know in the comments below.